Hey there! In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a shutdown button for your Windows 11 computer. This will allow you to shut down Windows immediately. So let's get started. Grab your cursor and right click on the desktop in a clear space. Then go to New. The menu expands, go to Shortcut. This creates a new shortcut window. Now, what we want to do is type in shutdown, all as one word. Then we'll do a space /S. /S stands for shutdown. We'll do another space, and this time /F. F for Foxtrot. And this means it's going to force any open application to close. And what that means is it's not going to save anything. So just bear that in mind. We'll do another space. Last option is /T. And this is a timer. Now, if you want it to close down straight away, do a space, type 0. If you want to give yourself a little playroom, maybe give yourself 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You may want to save something. For this example, I'm going 0. We're going straight in. Okay, let's click Next. We can now give this shortcut a name. I'm going to call it Shutdown with a capital S. Finish. Here is the icon now. Let's change it. Right click it, go to Properties, Change Icon. Choose an icon from the list. And here we have a red button, so let's do that. That looks like a shutdown button. So when I press this shutdown button, Windows will shut down straight away.